Bob is getting the scissors so that he can open up the Condi present. Oops, Tiffany didn't put the scissors back. Okay, we'll be back in a second. Okay, here he goes. Okay, no scissors there. This is really interesting. Come on over, just like...
Have no fear, I will find the knife. Yes, found the knife.
Okay. He's so clever. Okay, hopefully there's nothing alive in there.
Ah!
Okay, what'd you get, Boston Bob?
I got...
Here, come over here where it's more light.
Okay, I think I got looks like
Ooh, is that reflective?
a reflective running hat.
Ooh. Very cool, and it fits his big head, too.
Yes. Oh, and this is also reflective.
Yeah, is there something special about that shirt, Boston Bob?
Yes, it's reflective. We'll take that picture later on here.
Oops. Hurry up, this is 70 seconds long already.
Ta-da!
Here, pull it all the way down. Wow, look at that. It says, I'm reflective. I thought you were Bob.
We'll check that out later.
Okay, all right.
Bye.